We wanted to create a creative video for you guys, but I decided to go back to one video I created during my lowest moments, because 2023 had been really hard for me. Majority ng mga negosyanteng kakilala ko, grabe din yung pinagdaanan ngayon 2023. I don't know about you. If you're doing good this year, congratulations. But for most of you who can relate, please watch this video, because this is a clear proof of what we call manifestation. This is proof that you can create the life that you want. This is proof that you can manifest your goals and dreams. Binalikan ko yung video ko noong 2021. Raw video siya. I'm gonna put the link here. One of the lowest moments of my life. I'm physically sick. I'm mentally tired, emotionally drained. Grabe yung challenges. But there's something in me na ang peaceful. Na kahit sobrang bigat, sobrang grabe yung pinagdadaanan, parang nakakabay sa akin si Lord. Parang sinasabi niya sa akin na tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Maybe because it had been a pattern in my life na every time may sobrang bigat na problema, every time na may sobrang bigat na challenges, every time na may sobrang bigat na struggles, pag nalampasan ko, grabe yung resulta. Pag nalampasan ko, grabe yung blessing na dumadating. So I declared a lot of things. Sabi ko doon sa video, magkakaroon ako ng mga webinar. Successful webinars. Guys, lahat yun nangyari. Sinabi ko doon na lalaki sa worldwide entrepreneurs, na magkakaroon ako ng leaders na makakatulong ko, makakasama ko. Sinabi ko doon sa video na magkakaroon ako ng mga leaders na magiging milyonaryo, mga car achievers, mga achievers. Guys, ngayon meron na akong coaching team. Kasama ko sila, nag-i-staff sa mga WeLead program, sa mga speaking engagements. Most of them millionaires now. And most of them car achievers now. Imagine, sabi ko lalaki sa worldwide entrepreneurs, grabe kung saan-saan kami nakakarating. Nagde-deliver ng products, stockist, kung saan-saan. Napunta kami ng Bacolod, Cebu, Tuguegarao, Bataan. Sobrang dami nating natutulungan. Sabi ko doon sa video, magkakaroon ng 1 million subscribers. Nag-manifest siya sa Facebook. Kasi we're around 1.4 million followers na sa Facebook. Tapos sabi ko doon, time will come, people will call me the Filipino Tony Robbins. Grabe, nangyayari na yun ngayon. Every time na ipapakilala ako on stage, every time na tatawagin ako, even in the comment section, ang thinking ng tao, I'm the Pinoy version of Tony Robbins. And right now, I'm enrolled in Tony Robbins Mastery University. Tapos sabi ko doon, yung mga webinar, magiging live events. Guys, nangyayari din. Nakarating tayo ng Cebu, Twin Lakes, Manila, Clark, kung saan-saan, para lang mag-speak. Para tumulong sa mga tao, para mag-inspire at mag-motivate ng mga tao, para bigyan sila ng tools. Guys, yung mga bagay na ini-imagine ko lang dati, nangyayari ngayon. Ang nakakabaliw dito, guys, I announced all this 2021 during my worst struggle. During the time that I was drowning in adversities. So ngayon, even if I'm really struggling right now, emotionally, physically, again, I'm sick. Just like in my past video, inuubo, sinisipon, paos ako. Grabe yung hate na nare-receive ko ngayon. Kung babalikan niyo yung video na yon, sinasabi ko rin doon eh. I'm creating a lot of free value. I'm creating a lot of videos for people, and yet I'm receiving a lot of hate, tons of hate. Ngayon, mas madami. Pero alam niyo ba guys, ngayon ko na-realize na, yes, it's true. That it's all worth it. Because yung mga bagay na sinasabi ko 2 years ago, nangyayari na ngayon. And this is a clear proof that you can manifest and create the life that you want. Nung time na yon, I'm filming the video in a Ford Mustang. Raw video, cellphone yung gamit ko. Ngayon, I'm filming this video in my Porsche Macan. At may sarili na akong media company. And right now, during one of my lowest moments, I'm gonna make more announcements. so that we can create more proof that we really can manifest the life that we want. Yung speaking engagements natin, dadami, lalaki. Aabot sa 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 yung audience natin. Worldwide entrepreneurs, of course, patuloy na dadami. Yung Millionaires Club, yung mga achievers, motorcycle achievers, car achievers, even sports car achievers. Will Lead program will go big, like really big. Kasi ngayon pa lang, ang dami nang natutulungan, ang dami nang nagtatransform. At magkakaroon pa tayo ng mas maraming collaborations, mas maraming big events. At yung ginagawa ni Tony Robbins, gagawin ko dito sa Pilipinas. Magkakaroon ng Awaken the Power Within, magkakaroon tayo ng mga masterclass, at magkakaroon tayo ng maraming courses na tutulong sa napakaraming Pilipino. Maliban sa we will sell a lot of courses, we will be helping thousands of Filipinos create the life that they want, become millionaires, start their own business, start their own career. They will start something new in their life, and time will come. You will see me driving my own Mercedes-Benz G63. Yung media team ko patuloy na lalaki at lahat sila magkakaroon ng resulta. Yung iba kong mga companies patuloy na lalaki. Magkakaroon tayo ng sariling private resort, multiple resorts, magkakaroon ng sariling bahay yung media team. At yung mga taong natutulungan natin, mas dadami. I'm so thrilled right now because while filming this video, I already know what's possible. I already know what I can do. Kaya excited na ako sa susunod na video. And I'm here to tell you na lahat ng gusto mong pwedeng mangyari. Ako sure ako, lalo akong yayaman, sure ako mangyayari lahat ng sinabi ko because I deserve it. Because I'm working hard on it. Every single day, I'm working. Alam ko, deserve ko. At alam ko rin na deserve mo. That you deserve a better life. That you deserve a better future. That you deserve to be happy. Let's all manifest and create the life that we want. So yun lang guys, this is the end of this video. And just remember that everything would start with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez. See you soon.